What is going on, you guys? Ivox here, and in the background you see just me and my friends trick-shotting. We got to last, actually, with a big lead, and I ended up blowing it in the end. You will see that towards the end of the video, but I just want to talk to you guys about me uploading. I will start uploading a lot more, and I'll be posting some vlogs and other things along the lines of that, but I really can't right now, and I haven't been for a while because my family and I are moving to Illinois, and it's really hard, you know, to get everything ready for that and still upload videos. But as far as that goes, I'm really gonna try to get some videos out for you guys and vlogs, and that's where I ended up ruining it and killing last. But I mean, there only was 50 seconds left. My friends were pretty upset. But yeah, I wanted to just let you guys know about that, and I'm gonna hope to see you guys soon. Like, subscribe, keep on watching my videos if you are already. I know a lot of people at school are asking me, Matt, what's going on? You know, why aren't you posting? And that is why I am moving soon, and it's very hard to get some videos out. See you guys later.